Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Golden Bean 2025. Ano nga ba itong Golden Bean? This started way back in 2020 when we started the branch. This was created to honor and to congratulate and to celebrate all the hard works of those who went above and beyond their calling. Sino-sino mga nandito? Of course, the top awardees of the branch. Golden Bean 2025, this is your day to shine, to be recognized, to be honored, and also to inspire others to do the same as you did. As we celebrate the Golden Bean 2025, you know what's amazing? We are celebrating its 5th year. 5 years of great people coming here, changing lives, affecting generations and generations to come.
Good afternoon, Coffee Baristas! And welcome to the Golden Bean Awards 2024! Kaya wag na natin patagalin, partner. Let's all welcome the legit MCs for tonight's event, the Tres Marias of Coffee Tree NBO!
Welcome to our much-anticipated annual award ceremony for 2025. So it's a day of celebration, appreciation, and recognition, where excellence is brewed and achievements are served hot, katulad ng kasama kong ladies this afternoon.
We're absolutely delighted to have you all here today, our baristas, leaders, and achievers. This is more than just an event. This is a celebration of hard work, perseverance, purpose-driven performance.
That's right. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired.
We fought a few battles, sometimes even amongst ourselves, but we are still here, standing strong, working with one purpose, to serve, to grow, and to create a brighter life.
Kung half-hearted ka sa trabaho mo, malamang hindi ka magsusurvive. We work with all our heart, and if you believe, and this is easy, actually, napakadali nitong trabaho ko ngayon kasi sabi sa akin ni Brian, sinismis na kayo ni Brian. Proud na proud siya sa inyo. Sabi niya, Pastor, yung darating sa Saturday afternoon are the best, the top 100 of my people.
Many are called and few are chosen. Hindi po lahat ng namamasyal dyan sa Soledad pwedeng maging life insurance agent. You are the chosen few. And when you were chosen, definitely, none of us were qualified during that time. Pero sabi din sa Biblia, God qualifies His chosen people.
Do not go where the path leads you to. Go where there is no path and lead the way. That is a quote dedicated to the young and brilliant advisors of Coffee Tree NBO.
Today, I'm thrilled to see familiar faces and at the same time, new champions shining bright. So this is my challenge to all of you. Who among you want to join our legacy of 50?
As your mother BM, isa lang talaga ang gusto ko. Kung si Manang Maritz, gusto niya ng legacy of 50. Ako ang talagang prayer ko that each and every advisor na papasok dito sa Sun Life, especially sa Coffee NBO, ay magkaroon ng brighter life.
Thank you very much po sa award. Thank you po sa appreciation sa lahat ng efforts. And may God bless us all.
Ito po
ay hindi sa akin lang, kundi sa amin pong mag-asawa kasi pinagtulungan po namin to. Sorry ha, ako na munang pipicturean mo ngayon after 6 years na ako ang photographer mo. Ikaw naman ngayon ang magpipicture sa akin.
Wow naman!
I've been here in Sun Life for 5 years. Tas consistent na medallion. Kaso I never reached platinum. So sabi nung girlfriend ko that time, pag nag-platinum ka, pwede na tayo magpakasal. We just got engaged last week, last Saturday. Maganap lang kayo ng rason para maging sobrang gigil nyo sa Sun Life. Thank you so much and have a nice evening.
Kung ang gigil mo ay ikaw ay engaged, ang gigil ko dito, bukod sa family ko, inspiration ko si UM Chris. UM, sa'yo to, para sa'yo to. Thank you.
Actually, hindi namin ini-expect na magiging top kami last quarter, pero siguro nasa nature na nila yung pagiging productive and active sa Sun Life. So, ito na yung naging result without us even expecting yung outcome.
Thank you po sa recognition and thank you unang-una sa Batangas unit. Tulong-tulong tayo dito at ito na yung naging resulta ng pagiging makulit na UM ko sa inyo.
To all baristas, please do not delay your dreams. Gawin mo na ito kasi hindi mo alam kung magagawa mo pa ito bukas. Above all, I want to thank the Lord Almighty. Without His grace and guidance, none of this would have been possible. To Him, all the glory.
To everyone who's been part of this journey, maraming salamat po. Wala na po akong pagkakataon para maging rookie ulit, kundi ito lang po at nakuha ko na po.
To my fellow advisors, let's keep pushing boundaries, keep serving with a heart, keep reminding people that life insurance is more than a plan, it's a promise.
As I stand here today, I hope to inspire each one of you to embrace the power of yes. It may feel daunting, but trust me, one simple word can change the trajectory of your life. Don't let fear dictate your choices. Let your yes resonate outwards, inspiring those around you. Thank you once again for this honor, and let's keep shining brighter together. Thank you!
6 years, napakarami nangyari. Napakarami namin inilalaban ni UM Claire. Pero hindi niya ako binibitawan. Sabi ko nga, 10 ng pamilya ko, nagpapasalamat kay UM Claire, kay SM Kevin, of course, si BM. Kasi binigyan din nila ako ng pagkakataon na maging isang leader at ma-share ko din sa team ko. Yung maturuan ko din sila, mabigyan ko din sila ng brighter life. Dahil truly, Sun Life is a brighter life.
Keep showing up, di ba? Kahit walang up, show up. Because one day, you'll be standing here too and you'll realize it was all worth it. Bilang ng unit namin, buong Coffee NGO, inaalay namin sa iyo, Panginoon. Thank you!
Congratulations for an excellent year, everyone. Palakpakan ninyo mga sarili.